In Japan, engines are treated less like machines and more like living systems that must stay balanced, clean, and stress-free to last decades. This mindset is a major reason Japanese vehicles regularly exceed 300,000, 400,000, and even 500,000 miles on original fuel injectors. In the US, fuel injector failure is one of the top 10 causes of drivability complaints, with repair costs often ranging from $400 to over $1,500. Most failures are not sudden. They are caused by gradual deposit buildup, moisture contamination, and poor driving habits. In this video, we are going to uncover the 9 proven methods to clean the fuel injectors without removing them, methods used by mechanics and fleet owners. If your car has rough idle, poor fuel economy, hesitation, or weak acceleration, this video could literally save you hundreds of dollars. Let's get started. Method number 1, fuel detergent rotation method. Japanese drivers never rely on a single aggressive injector cleaner. Instead, they use a rotation of mild, high-quality detergents that clean slowly over time. This method is powerful because injector deposits form gradually, so removing them gradually prevents clogging and damage. Aggressive cleaners can break large carbon chunks loose, which may partially block injector tips or strain fuel filters. Over multiple fuel cycles, injector spray patterns slowly return to factory shape, improving atomization and combustion efficiency. To perform this method correctly, you must start with a nearly empty tank so the cleaner is not diluted. Pour the entire bottle in, then immediately fill up with fresh fuel to activate the detergents properly. Drive the car for at least 30 minutes, including steady cruising and light acceleration, so the cleaner flows through the injectors at different pulse rates. Repeat this process every 3,000 to 5,000 miles depending on fuel quality. Engines clean this way idle smoother, respond better to throttle input, and burn fuel more evenly. Method 2, the high RPM heat activation drive. US driving data shows that over 70% of daily trips are under 10 miles, which prevents injectors from reaching self-cleaning temperatures. Low RPM driving allows carbon to bake onto injector tips. Japanese drivers intentionally counter this with controlled high RPM heat activation drives. At higher RPM, injectors operate at increased flow rates, raising fuel velocity and combustion temperature just enough to burn off soft carbon. This restores proper atomization without chemicals. Here is how to perform this method. Warm the engine fully before starting. Find an open highway or clear road. Maintain engine speed between 3,000 and 4,000 RPM for 10 to 15 minutes using steady throttle input. Avoid sudden acceleration or redlining. Keep the RPM consistent to allow heat and flow to work evenly. After finishing, allow the engine to idle for 1 minute before shutting it off. Perform this once every few weeks, especially if you mostly drive in the city. It keeps injectors operating within their design range rather than letting deposits harden over time. Method 3, top-tier fuel strategy. One of the biggest secrets in injector health is fuel quality. Top-tier fuels contain significantly higher detergent levels approved by major automakers to actively clean injectors and combustion chambers. According to US testing, engines running detergent-rich fuel show up to 50% fewer injector deposits compared to engines using low-quality fuel. When you consistently use top-tier fuel, the detergents work gradually every time you drive. They prevent new deposits from forming while slowly breaking down existing ones. This is not an instant fix, but a long-term injector preservation method. Over weeks of driving, idle smoothness improves, cold starts become easier, and fuel economy stabilizes. So question is, which fuel stations should you actually use? In the United States, Shell, Chevron, Exxon, Mobil, Costco, Conoco, and 76 are officially certified top-tier fuel brands. Method 4, idle purification ritual. This method is often used after long storage, rough idle, or inconsistent cold starts. Injectors are most sensitive at idle, where fuel delivery is minimal and spray quality matters most. Deposits disrupt atomization at low flow rates, causing rough idle and vibration. The Japanese idle purification ritual stabilizes injector pulse timing and allows detergents and fuel to work more effectively. To perform this method, start the engine cold without touching the accelerator. Allow it to idle naturally until it reaches full operating temperature. Once warm, let it idle for an additional 5 minutes with headlights, AC, and accessories turned off. Do not rev the engine during this time. Afterward, drive smoothly for 10 to 15 minutes. Perform this ritual once a month or after using injector cleaner. Over time, idle smoothness improves dramatically. Method 5. Intake and throttle body cleaning to support injector performance. Injectors don't work alone. Dirty throttle bodies, intake passages, and airflow sensors disrupt how air enters the engine, forcing injectors to compensate with uneven fuel delivery. When airflow is turbulent or restricted, injector spray patterns become less effective, even if the injectors themselves aren't severely clogged. To perform this method, an intake cleaning spray is applied while the engine is running. The cleaner removes carbon buildup from the throttle plate and intake surfaces, restoring smooth airflow. Once airflow is corrected, injectors can spray fuel more evenly, reducing uneven combustion. After this cleaning, engines often idle smoother, respond faster to throttle input, and maintain cleaner injectors going forward. This method doesn't replace injector cleaning, but it dramatically enhances its effectiveness. Method 7. Fuel system moisture elimination practice. Moisture is one of the most overlooked causes of injector problems. Even tiny amounts of water can distort spray patterns and harden carbon deposits. Japanese drivers actively prevent moisture buildup to protect injector internals. Dry fuel allows detergents to work effectively and prevents corrosion at injector tips. This method is especially important in humid climates or for vehicles that sit unused. Here is how to perform this method. Keep the fuel tank at least 1/4 full to reduce condensation. Periodically, use a fuel-safe moisture remover approved for modern engines. Drive the car long enough to reach full operating temperature after refueling. By eliminating moisture, injector detergents work faster, combustion stabilizes, and spray cones remain sharp. This is why Japanese engines feel smoother in humid conditions where many US vehicles struggle. Method 8. Fuel filter maintenance. Many injector problems don't start at the injector, they start at the fuel filter. A dirty or neglected fuel filter allows microscopic debris to reach the injectors, slowly damaging spray patterns and causing partial clogging. Over time, this contamination builds up, even in vehicles using good fuel and additives. Replacing the fuel filter on schedule ensures only clean fuel reaches the injectors. When fuel flows freely and cleanly, injector cleaners work better, and deposits are less likely to form. This method is especially important for older vehicles and high-mileage cars. Drivers who ignore fuel filter maintenance often experience repeated injector issues, while those who replace it regularly enjoy long-lasting injector performance without expensive repairs.